Hi, my name's Carl and welcome to the video training series. Today we're going to be working on the template editor and we're going to be looking at store styles. So this applies to websites that do have e-commerce enabled and it is the information that the customers see when they view your products. Okay, firstly, if I click on store styles, show border around each item. So at this point you can see we have a border. If I take that out, that disappears. We can also add a line between each item. We can also have a border as well. Okay, now the next one down is called the button face. Now, what the button face is, where here you've got add to basket, okay, that is the actual button. So you can change the colors of your background. Change that to a grey, change that to, for instance, a white. Okay, so we can edit those buttons there. The next one is item heading. Now, this is the item heading, and the next one below that is item heading alt. So that's the second one. So this is the main one, and then followed by the alt, and then when it goes down to the third product, that will be the main, and the fourth will be the alt again. So you can change the fonts. Here we don't have any fonts set, so it is picking up the font that we use in the body styles. But let's make this, for instance, say Times New Roman 16. Make it bold. Change the color. We can go to a red on that one. Okay, and you can see the effects in there. Now, if we go down to the alt, okay, do the same thing. Let's make the font a green, Times New Roman, and 16. Okay, so that's the difference between those two. The item brief. Okay, here is the item brief, and here is the item brief alt. Okay, so we have the item brief and item brief alt. So you can change the colors of your text in there too. Let's just change that to the red again. Okay, and you can see the effect that has there. Okay, the next one down is item details. Now this here is the item details. Okay, so same thing, you can set your fonts and set your colors there. So I'll change that one to red as well. Okay, and you see how that's changed. So there's the item details alt, so that's for the second box. Specifications table. Okay, if you set a specifications table for a certain product, here is how you can actually adjust the color and the feel of your specifications table. Okay, so now we have red with white writing, and of course you can set the fonts as well. Okay, specification items. Okay, these are the items that are built within here. At the moment we've got it on a white background with black writing, so we'll change that over to white. We'll go green on that one. Okay, so you can see how we can adjust that one. Okay, the next one is text boxes. Now, if I just change this here to a red and go to a white, okay, you can see we've changed these boxes here. So this is your select option boxes and your add to basket, that type of thing. So you can adjust all those as well. Okay, that concludes the video training. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for more.